Reflectors on the pavement, chasing down the light. Headphones in, lost in songs that feel just right. Late night talks and secrets in the dark. Hearts wide open, leaving sparks. We don't know where we're going, but we love the way it feels. Writing stories with no ending, living life on spinning wheels. We are the fire, we are the flame, running wild, calling out our name. Every laugh, every tear, every scream, it's all part of the beautiful teenage dream. Living loud, hearts unbroken and free, painted skies with who we wanna be. This is now, this is all we need. A beautiful, beautiful teenage dream. First love letters written in the margins. Friday nights lit up like stardust gardens. Crashing waves of who we are inside, learning how to fall then rise. We're not perfect but we shine like the moon in the midnight sky. We break rules and we bend time just to feel a little more alive. We are the fire, we are the flame, running wild, calling out our name. Every laugh, every tear, every scream, it's all part of the beautiful teenage dream. Living loud, hearts unbroken and free, painted skies with who we wanna be. This is now, this is all we need. A beautiful, beautiful teenage dream. One day we'll look back and smile at the chaos, the magic, the style. Even the storms made us strong. We were young and we belonged. We are the fire, we are the flame, running wild, never played the game. Every scar, every step upstream, it's all part of the beautiful teenage dream. No regrets, only memories, carving songs and reveries. Hold on tight, let your spirit scream. You're living a beautiful teenage dream. Let me know if you'd like a specific style.